Today we will be diving into another Wallen Hub CTF. This time it's EVM1. This machine is designed to test our penetration testing and privileges escalation skills. And I'll walk you through the complete exploitation step by step. So if you are into ethical hacking, bug bounty, or just sharpening your skills, stick around till the end. This is a super friendly box intended for beginners, and I recommended to use VirtualBox rather than VM. You can download this machine from this link. I have already downloaded and configured. First, we need to find the IP address of our target machine, and for that we will use the command arp-scan-l. So in this case, I already know my target machine IP address. So I will start with the nmap scan. For that, I will use the command nmap-a with our target machine IP address. A stands for aggressive. Let's wait for a few minutes to complete our scan. With the help of nmap, I observe that port number 23, 53, 80, 110, 139, 143 and 445 are open with the service running SSH, DNS, HTTP, POP3, NetBIOS, IMAP and NetBIOS respectively. As we have port number 80 open, I will copy this IP address and paste it in the browser. The Apache web page open, which is normal except for the fact that there was a comment saying you can find me at WordPress. I am vulnerable web app. Now, according to this comment, it means there is a vulnerable directory called WordPress. So to confirm, I will use the command dup and to no surprise, there is a directory called WordPress. Now, this is a WordPress as the name suggests. We can use WP scan to find more about it. With this command, I am telling that WordPress to enumerate all themes, all plugins installed on the WordPress site, and finally all the users that might be logged in onto the WordPress site. Let's wait for a few minutes to complete our scan. I can see that user identify, there is one username where we can attack via brute force and get a password to log in. To do that, we will use WordPress scan with a URL. Username, we have corrupted brain. And for password, I will give roq.txt file which is present in user share word list, and there you go. I have got the password as 24992499. Meta exploit. For that, I will launch MSF console. Search wp-admin underscore shell. Use 0. We need to use this exploit. Show options. Now we need to set the rhost, target URI, username, and password. Let's do it quickly. All thing is set. Now we are good to go. So once the exploit is running and attack is successful, you can have your Metapreter session. As you can see, we have got a Metapreter session. We will go to slash home directory, do ls. Let's go into the root 3r directory. Again, we will do ls. Let's cat dot root underscore password underscore ssh dot txt. Now we know that the password of the root user is Willy26. We can now switch our user to root, and for this we need to type shell. We will use Python tty shell. We will switch to root. Password we know as Willy26. Let's copy and paste. Who am I? Now you can see we are root user. and here the root flag, which complete the challenge. If you enjoy this walkthrough, please hit like, subscribe and share. And let me know in the comments if you like me to do more Wall and Hub machines. Thanks for watching.